Open Pipe Networks 3.dwg. In the drawing window, zoom to a section of the pipe network. Click a pipe to select it. Right-click. Click Draw Parts in Profile View. Zoom to the profile for the alignment that represents the road, PV 1. Click the profile grid. Press ESC to deselect the pipe. Select the profile view grid. Right-click. Click Profile View Properties. In the Profile View Properties dialog box, on the Pipe Networks tab, select the checkbox in the Draw column for each part entry in the pipe network except for Pipe 10, Pipe 10, 1, Structure 11, and Structure 12. Click OK. Zoom to the pipe network parts drawn in the profile view. Click Annotate tab Labels and Tables panel. Add Labels menu. Pipe Network. Add Pipe Network labels. In the Add Labels dialog box, specify the following parameters. Click Add. In the drawing window, click Pipe 1, which is between stations 7+00 and 8+00 of the layout profile displayed in the profile view. In the Add Labels dialog box, next to the pipe label style list, click the arrow next to. Click Copy Current Selection. In the Label Style Composer dialog box, on the Information tab, for name, enter Start Invert Elevation. On the Layout tab, click the Contents value under Text. Click. In the Text Component Editor dialog box, on the Properties tab, in the Properties list, select Start Invert Elevation. Click. In the text editor window, click the Property field. Press Delete. Your label content should look like this. Click OK twice. In the Add Labels dialog box, specify the following parameters. Click Add. In the Profile view, click Pipe 2, which is between stations 8+00 and 9+50 of the layout profile. Press ESC to end the Add Label command. Click the label text to select the label. Click the diamond-shaped label Edit Grip to make it active. Click a new location for the label at the start end of the pipe, which is the end located next to station 8+00. Click the square label Edit Grip to make it active. Click a new location for the label text that moves it off the pipe. Press ESC to deselect the label. Pan and zoom until you can clearly see the north-south pipe run along the XC_storm alignment. In the Add Labels dialog box, specify the following parameters. Click Add. Click both pipes along the XC_storm alignment, then press Enter. When prompted, click a location along the pipe span to place the label. Pan and zoom until you can clearly see the plan view of the pipe network. In the Add Labels dialog box, specify the following parameters. Click Add. Click a part in the pipe network. All pipes and structures are labeled using the styles you selected. In the Add Labels dialog box, click Close. In the Profile view for ROAD1, PV1, click Pipe 4, which connects the structures that are offset from stations 11+00 and 12+50 on ROAD1. Click the square editing grip at the center of the pipe to make it active. Click a new vertical location for the pipe so the start invert elevation is approximately 650 feet. Click the triangular grip at the start, downslope, end of the pipe to make it active. Click a new position for the pipe end so that it aligns with the end invert elevation of pipe 3, which is between stations 11+00 and 9+50. With pipe 4 still selected, right-click. Click Pipe Properties. In the Pipe Properties dialog box, on the Part Properties tab, click the Start Invert Elevation value to select it. Press Ctrl+C to copy the value. Click OK. Press ESC to deselect Pipe 4. Click Pipe 3 to select it. Right-click. Click Pipe Properties. In the Pipe Properties dialog box, on the Part Properties tab, under Geometry, click the End Invert Elevation value to select it. Press Ctrl+V to replace the value with the one copied from Pipe 4. Click OK. Press ESC to deselect the pipe. In the drawing, zoom to the profile view of ROAD1, PV1. Click the profile view to select it. Right-click. Click Profile View Properties. On the Pipe Networks tab, click the Pipe 6 row. Scroll to the right until you can see the Style Override value. Click the Style Override cell. In the Pick Pipe Style dialog box, select Dotted. Click OK. Repeat steps 5 and 6 to override style for pipe. 7, Pipe 8, and Pipe 9. Click OK. Pan and zoom until you can clearly see the structure at station 8+00. Click the structure to select it. Right-click. Select Edit Structure Style. In the Structure Style dialog box, on the Display tab, in the View Direction list, select Profile. Make the structure pipe outlines component visible and change its color to red. Click OK. Notice that a red circle now appears in the structure. The red circle indicates the location of a perpendicular connection of a pipe that is not displayed in the profile view. In the drawing, zoom to the area around station 12+60 on the ROAD1 alignment. Click Home tab Profile and Section Views panel Sample Lines. Press Enter when prompted to select an alignment. In the Select Alignment dialog box, select ROAD1. Click OK. In the Create Sample Line Group dialog box, click OK. On the command line, enter 1260. For the left swath width, enter 20. For the right swath width, enter 20. Press Enter to end the sample line creation command. Click Home tab Profile and Section Views panel Section Views drop-down Create Section View. In the Create Section View wizard, click Section Display Options. On the Section Display Options page, in the Select Sections to Draw list, in the Road 1_Surf row, click the Change Labels cell. In the Select Style Set dialog box, select No Labels. Click OK. Repeat steps 3 and 4 to apply the No Labels label style set to the entries in the Change Labels column. Click Create Section View. Zoom and pan to a location for the section view. Click to create the section view at your selected location. If a warning event is displayed, close the Event Viewer window. Zoom and pan to the section view to see the pipe network parts in the section view. Click Annotate tab Labels and Tables panel Add Tables menu Pipe Network Add Structure. In the Structure Table Creation dialog box, select by network and click OK. Pan to a clear area in the drawing window and click to place the table. Zoom and pan to the structure table. Examine the contents of the table. Select the table by clicking one of the rulings. Right-click the structure table and select Table Properties. In the Table Properties dialog box, under Table Style, click the down arrow next to. Click Copy Current Selection. In the Table Style dialog box, on the Information tab, change the name to Structure Stations and Details. On the Data Properties tab, specify the following parameters. In the Structure area, click to add a new column to the table. Double-click the new column's heading cell. In the Text Component Editor dialog box, in the Preview pane, enter Station. Click OK. In the Table Style dialog box, in the Structure area, double-click in the column value cell in the Station column. In the Table Cell Components dialog box, in the Text Contents row, click in the value cell. Click. In the Text Component Editor dialog box, select the data that appears in the Preview area and press Delete. In the Preview area, enter Station equals. In the Properties list, select Structure Station. Change the precision value to 1, then click. Click OK twice. In the Table Style dialog box, click the heading cell of the Station column, and then drag the Station column over the Structure Details column. The Station column is placed between the Structure Name and Structure Details columns. Click OK twice.